Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to manage power management settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically a power plan or just settings that configure system and hardware management that allow you to the user conserve on energy or minimize system performance or achieve a balance between the two options. There are even a ultimate power performance plan. In this video we are going to see there are basic ones, the balance, power saver and high performance plans. I will guide you guys. Just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it, select this view by two large icons and you just need to select power options, and in here you just need to select show additional plans. There are four available guys. So balance will automatically balance performance with energy consumption on capable hardware, and power saver saves by reducing your computer's performance where possible, and high performance flavors performance but you may use more energy. Ultimate Performance provides ultimate performance on higher end PCs. So if you are a gamer, then I recommend you to set high performance or ultimate performance, both of it by your preferences. And so if you are a normal laptop user, I will recommend you to set this to balanced. I means that are good for your batteries guys. And if you are critical in situation, you just need to set power saver guys, where you can save energy by reducing your computer performance where possible by setting power saver guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.